The Supreme Court has banned mobile phone spying without a warrant. This was a unanimous decision today from the Roberts Court, 9-0. Police now need a warrant to search the cell phone of a person who has been arrested, absent some very specific special circumstances, according to a unanimous Supreme Court decision. Chief Justice John Roberts wrote in the majority opinion, the unanimous majority opinion, modern cell phones are not just another technological convenience. With all they contain and all they may reveal, they hold for many Americans the privacies of life. The fact that technology now allows an individual to carry such information in his hand does not make the information any less worthy of the protection for which the founders fought. Our answer to the question of what police must do before searching a cell phone seized incident to an arrest searching a cell phone seized incident to an arrest is accordingly simple: get a warrant. Before this, for putting aside the special circumstances, it actually became kind of a popular thing, YouTube videos and other discussions of what to do with your cell phone when the police pulls you over to avoid a warrantless search of it. And a convention that seemed to be quite prevalent was put it inside of your glove compartment and lock it, because that makes it abundantly clear, and retroactively an attorney would be able to argue successfully, presumably before a court, that it was private and that a warrant definitely would be needed to enter that locked glove compartment. That seemingly now, Lewis, no longer necessary based on this decision.
Right. This is big. This is an important decision. It's the right decision. Still, it seems that the NSA can still intercept your calls, your texts, your
Right.
emails. Of course, this seems to have no bearing on that.
So those are the two considerations. Consideration number one, does this mean that the Roberts Court, in all of its corruption and conservatism, has actually come down to the left politically of the Obama administration when it comes to this particular issue? Well, that kind of depends on the second issue, which Lewis is talking about, which is let's not conflate police warrant requirements for mobile phones and support from the Obama and previous administrations of NSA spying via technological means. I am already seeing online, Lewis, some conflation of the two issues. We shouldn't conflate them. This decision has nothing to do with the NSA. That being said, we should always remember that whatever it is that police are going to do during an individual traffic stop, what they are or aren't able to do, this has no bearing whatsoever on what the NSA is able to do. Which one concerns you more, Lewis? What the police can do with your mobile phone or what the NSA can do?
Well, that's a tough question. I guess the answer would be the NSA.
I agree.
Yeah, because the NSA are more likely to make the phone call to have you captured and sent to a black site. The police might just throw you behind bars in the county jail for a little while.
Yeah, they might see that you actually did send a text during the time that they observed you against state law and then cite you for it, but it probably won't lead to you maybe being the target of a drone or whatever else may happen. Not to minimize the importance of this decision, of course, but let's both not conflate the two issues and remember to think about if and how they interact in any way.